In this series of videos, I'm going to be putting together a Windows 95 machine with some spare parts that I have lying around, and hopefully get some old games of mine running on it. I found this old hard drive in my collection that contains a Windows 95 installation, and we're going to try to get it to run on a Pentium 4 system. So the first thing I need to do is salvage this heatsink off another system, because the Pentium 4 I have currently doesn't have one attached to it. So we'll do that here. I'm just going to speed up through this part because taking these nuts off these very long threads takes forever. So okay, finally we're looking at the Pentium 4 motherboard here. There's some leftover thermal paste from who knows how long ago that needs to be cleaned up here, so I'll go ahead and do that. So probably not the right way to do this. I'm just using a socket here to hand tighten these. Just want to make sure there's enough pressure on the heatsink applied to the CPU. So now we're just getting ready to power this up by plugging in all the power cables. So here's a video card that I wanted to use in this system. Fortunately, as you'll see here later, there's a significant problem with it. So another thing you need to remember with a computer that's over 10 years old, replace the CMOS battery before trying to start it up, because it's probably dead. So the system boots. Unfortunately, as you can see from this, the screen artifacts, that's actually from the video card, and like as it switches to text mode, you'll see in the corner here there's like some green boxes, ASCII boxes. So I don't know why. I tried fiddling with the card quite a bit, but I just couldn't fix it. So I ended up swapping it out for a good video card, and everything worked fine. So now we have our Pentium 4 booted, and this point it's just sitting on the desk without a hard drive, so we're not going to see much after the screen.